Hi, I'm Advaitanish. Today I am going to show how to make a sprite ask multiple questions in WinBlog using codes of selections. So first of all, we need to go to winblog.wingy.com. Then we should select a device called Arduino Nano. Then we should go here to click this to make this robotics which was animation earlier. Then we should upload this sprite and backdrop. So now we can move on to the coding part. So the first code here is when green flag clicked. It is so that when I click this green flag, all the other codes work. The next code is go to this certain x and y. So our sprite will go to this exact coordinates when green flag clicked. After that, it will ask what's your age and weight. Then I have made a code if then else. In that I have coded so that if my answer is greater than 14, then it will move on to the next question. Else it will say below age limit for 2 seconds and it will stop. So if I move on to the next question, which is what's your height in centimeter, and it will wait. So this is also a if then else code in which I have coded so that if my answer is greater than 139 centimeter, then it will move on to the next question. Else it will say sorry below height limit for 2 seconds and it will stop. So the next question is a bit different. I will as usually it will ask are you COVID vaccinated, and it will wait. Then the next code is if then only. There is no else here. So if my answer is yes, then it will say welcome to the pool. If my answer is equal to no, then it will say sorry, please vaccinate. So if my answer is neither no or yes, then it will say invalid response for 2 seconds and it will stop. So I will show it how it works practically. Okay. So it's asking that what's your age. So if I type in 12, then it will say below age limit. But if I type 15, then it will go to the next question. So the next question is what's your height in centimeter. So if I type 120, then it will say sorry below height limit. But if I type 140, then it will say the next question, which is are you COVID vaccinated. So if I say yes, then it will say welcome to the pool. But if I say no, then it will say sorry, please vaccinate. Okay, so one more thing, which is if I say something random like ABCD, then it will say invalid response. So that's how I made a sprite ask me multiple questions in WinBlog using codes of selections. Thank you.